Hi everybody, welcome back to One to Step. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's episode, I'll be guiding you on how to use Boost on Tinder. So to get started, first of all, go ahead and open up your Tinder application. Now your user face will appear somewhat like this. So to use Boost, go ahead and tap on that little profile icon which is appear on the bottom right corner. Now here you can see the option My Boost, Get More. Go ahead and tap on it. So what basically this boost do is be a top profile on your area for 30 minutes to get more matches. So in order to get boost or in order to use boost, what you gotta do is tap on get more boost. So here you can buy boost on how many you want, like you have to buy boost in order to get more matches or in order to be seen on your area. Now here you can see 5 boost, 10 boost, and you can also see the prices for this boost. You can simply go ahead and buy that boost in order to use it. So that's how it is done. So if you found the video to be helpful and informative, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.